Good morning all you outdoor fun lovers, and in particular this morning the geocaches. It's Sunday the 1st of November and it's just after, well, it's about 8:30 in the morning, and this one's for Brad, one of my lovely subscribers. He asked me if I would do some videos around York Knavesmire, and there are a few geocaches in this area, so I thought I'll combine the two. Seeing as I'm not at my parents' this weekend, I thought I'll pop out, and I enjoyed myself so much yesterday, I thought I'm going to go out and do some more of that today. And so here I am, I've just parked up. I thought I'll just warm myself up with a little coffee first, which I've got in my trusty flask, which incidentally is a new trusty flask that I got from Lidl this week, £3.99, total bargain. So yeah, I'm just about to, well, I'll finish this and then I'll set off. That's the mini Knavesmire over there, little Knavesmire. This is where I'm parked. So yeah, let's go. As I say, this one's for Brad. He wanted me to do a walk around the Knavesmire, so I thought I'd do that today. What I'm going to be using today is, I haven't uploaded any of these positions, any of these geocaches into my GPS. So I'm going to be using my phone app today. And I hope you can see that it's pointing to the first one being pretty much straight across. So let's go. And the sun is trying to poke out over there. Look at that. I think that's left the county stand, or the stands, in a bit of a silhouette with the sun behind it. Right, so according to the GPS, this one's somewhere in the region of the Swallow Hotel. Now if you're from York, you probably know that used to be called the Swallow Chase Hotel, but it's been taken over by one of the big chains now. Can't remember what it's called. Not that it's relevant. Under we go. I'm glad I've got my strong boots on. The sun's out. A shadow. A break in the clouds. Right, so all's quiet. There's nobody around to watch me. I've just found this one here, covered in leaves. Look at that, there it is. Nice. Right, on to the next one. So the hotel I was telling you about is now called the Marriott. This used to be the Swallow Chase many moons ago. And this is where my sister had her first job in York when she lived in York. She worked behind reception. I drive past this place all the time on Tadcaster Road, and yet never really knew what it was, never paid it any attention. And this is the other big hotel on Tadcaster Road, Holiday Inn. This used to have another name as well, and I can't remember what it was. Well, unfortunately, I've had to log that one as a DNF because I rummaged around where it's supposed to be, in the area it's supposed to be, and I couldn't find it. So, on to the next one. And this one, we're going in a wood. We'll be back into the peace and quiet, away from all the traffic. Even though it's Sunday, there's quite a bit of traffic around. There's a dog harness there. Wonder what happened to the dog. One of the great things about doing this geocaching is even just in 2 days I've seen some areas of York and where I live that I've never seen before. And you never know, you might find some good places for a bit of a stealth camp at some point. So across there you can see the stands, the racecourse stands. And my car is roughly behind where that tree is there. There's a nice bit of woodland up here. Now I always knew it was there on the map, but I've never been in or anything. And you can go in and walk around. What a great place to live here, next to all this woodland. How fabulous is this? Right. I'm going in. Yeah, judging by the state of this path and the fact that there are people pushing, there's a lady up there pushing a pram or pushchair around, this area is obviously quite well known. It's a bit boggy. Now, one of the things I'm learning about geocaching is, can you see that area there where it's all muddy by this post? You see, that means it's been stood on a lot for no good reason. And that's because it's very discreetly hidden just in this hole here. How neat is that? Now, unfortunately, this is another completely waterlogged log, so I won't be writing on that one either. So I'll just pop it back in, put that away, and return this, and then let the cache owner know. So, here's the Knavesmire from a different perspective. I want to say different, I mean different to me. This isn't one I've looked at it from. And then you've got these wonderful woods here, Knavesmire Woods. Very popular, as you can see. And then the estate there. But I've had a quick mooch around these woods, and there is some very definite stealth camping opportunities in there. So summer next year, I reckon. I don't think I'd want to do it in winter in there. I don't think I'd be warm enough with the gear I've got at the moment. So onwards to the next one. Some blue sky over there. And then a lot of very dark skies. What I do like is trees in this area are fabulous. Now there are some muggles knocking about, dog walkers and so on. I'm just being discreet. I'll have a little forage. Okay, so I've logged that one as a did not find. I think my phone GPS isn't quite as effective as the Garmin Etrex, and I hadn't loaded the coordinates for any of these onto the Etrex, so I don't know, the phone GPS just seemed to be moving me around all over the place. And I've got an Amazon delivery coming today, so I'm going to get home and sort that out, but I'm going to go via the Knavesmire so I can take some more shots of the area for Brad. Another morning of geocaching. 2 did not find, 2 finds. Out of the 2 finds, both were waterlogged and unable to be written on. So thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, it won't cost you anything. And I will see you soon.